Imagine waking up to the sound of a loon calling over a serene lake or the hustle and bustle of a thriving, culturally diverse city. This could be your reality in 2024, but is moving to Canada really worth it? Picture this: the scent of pine trees wafting in the breeze, the sight of the majestic Rocky Mountains on the horizon, or perhaps the vibrant energy of Toronto with its bustling markets and world-class dining. Maybe you're drawn to the charm of Quebec City, where old-world architecture meets modern living. Or perhaps the serene beauty of the Maritimes with its rugged coastlines and quaint fishing villages is calling your name. Canada, a land of sweeping landscapes and dynamic cities, is a mosaic of experiences waiting to be discovered. But is it the right move for you? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the pros and cons of making Canada your new home. Canada, a land of opportunities and inclusivity, has a lot to offer. But what exactly are the benefits of moving to the Great White North? Well, for starters, Canada has a booming economy. It's one of the top 10 economies in the world. There's a thriving job market with a wide range of industries from tech and finance to healthcare and natural resources. This means there are plenty of opportunities for career changers and those looking for a fresh start. Next, let's talk about security. Canada has one of the lowest crime rates globally, making it an ideal place to raise a family. The country's healthcare system is also top-notch. It's publicly funded, meaning all Canadian residents have access to medical services without having to worry about hefty medical bills. But it's not just about the economy and safety. Quality of life is a huge factor too. Canada is known for its stunning natural beauty, with vast landscapes that include mountains, forests, and coastlines. It's an outdoor enthusiast's paradise. Plus, Canada's cities are vibrant and diverse, with a rich culture and art scene. Canada is also one of the most welcoming countries in the world. It's a multicultural nation that values diversity and inclusivity. It's a place where everyone is encouraged to maintain their cultural heritage while being part of the larger Canadian community. Education is another significant advantage. Canada places a high value on education, with excellent schools and world-renowned universities. It's a place where your children can receive a top-tier education, setting them up for a successful future. Lastly, Canada's political stability is worth mentioning. It's a democratic country with a high degree of transparency and freedom. If you're seeking a place where your voice matters, Canada is it. So Canada seems pretty great, right? But no country is perfect. Let's take a look at some potential drawbacks. The Maple Leaf Country is not all sunshine and rainbows. It has its fair share of challenges. So what are they? Well, first off, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the weather. Canada is known for its long, harsh winters. Snowfall can start as early as October and last until April. The temperatures can drop below freezing, making daily tasks a bit more challenging. Next, let's discuss the cost of living. While it is not the most expensive country to live in, Canada's cost of living can be quite high, especially in major cities like Toronto and Vancouver. Housing, groceries, and utilities can take a significant chunk out of your paycheck. Lastly, it's important to note that while Canada is a multicultural country, cultural adaptation can be a challenge. The lifestyle, customs, and even the accent can take some getting used to. Now that we've seen both sides of the coin, you might be wondering, is it really worth it? So, is moving to Canada in 2024 really worth it? The answer may surprise you. We've journeyed through the Canadian dream, weighing the pros and cons of moving north. The perks are plentiful: vibrant multiculturalism, breathtaking landscapes, and a robust healthcare system. However, the cons, like the frigid winters and the cost of living, are not to be ignored either. Yet, the worth of such a move isn't solely about the balance sheet of pros and cons. It's about the quality of life you seek, the opportunities you crave, and the dreams you aspire to fulfill. It's about whether the Canadian ethos aligns with your personal values and life goals. Remember, every country has its own unique set of challenges and rewards. What matters is how these align with your personal and professional aspirations. Ultimately, the decision to move to Canada, like any major life decision, should be carefully considered. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights to help with that decision. Thanks for watching.